Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So are you still downloading your Facebook leads manually and adding them one by one in Salesforce? Then this video is definitely for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically send Facebook leads to Salesforce using Pabbly Connect. So in this automation, as soon as I will receive a new lead over my Facebook lead ads, I'm going to create a contact in Salesforce. So if you also want to create this amazing automation for your own business too, then let me take it over to my screen. So now let me show you how this automation is going to work. So for that, we firstly have to move to my Meta for Developers page where we will be getting our Facebook lead ads form. So here you can see I'm landed to my Meta for Developers page where I'm landed to this lead ad testing tool page. And on my Facebook account, I have created this page, that is the Magic Makers, by using which I'm going to fill my new lead ads form. So here I'm going to select my page as Magic Makers, and now I'm going to keep my form as same, that is new leads. So from this drop down you can select your form, and now I'm going to delete my previous lead because I can create only one lead per form. So here, as I have clicked over this delete lead, my lead has been deleted. Now let's click over this preview form button for getting our form. So here you can see I'm getting this form which I'm going to fill. So here I have filled this form providing email demo@pabblytudes.com, first name demo, last name user, phone number and the city. Now let's click over this continue button and click over this submit button for submitting our Facebook lead ads form. And here you can see my form has been successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Salesforce account to check whether a new contact is created over there with the same details as of my Facebook lead or not. So here I'm landed to my Salesforce account where you can see I'm successfully receiving this lead which I have recently created in my Facebook lead ads, and here you can see its details, that is name demo user, phone number, email and the other address or the city. So now you can see that I have successfully added my Facebook lead to Salesforce, and now I am going to show you how you can do so. So for that you have to access Pabbly Connect, and for accessing the Pabbly Connect you have to open the new tab and type its URL. That is pabbly.com/connect, and once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly where you will be getting two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user, then you have to simply click over the sign up free, and when you create a new account over the Pabbly Connect, then you can get 100 free tasks every month for practicing Pabbly Connect. And if you already have an account, then you can simply click over this sign in. But before moving on forward towards Pabbly Connect, I'm going to tell you something exciting about Pabbly Community. So this is the page of Pabbly Community where automation users, marketers and business owners gather to share their ideas, ask questions and get new updates regarding using the Pabbly application. So you can also join Pabbly Community now and grow your business with us. And I have provided the link of the Pabbly Community in the description. So go and join our Pabbly Community now. And now let's move on towards our Pabbly Connect where I'm going to simply click over this sign in. And once you log in or sign up your account, then you will be getting this all Pabbly apps page where you can see all the products provided by Pabbly. And now as we are going to create an automation by integrating different applications, then we will be using this Pabbly Connect app. So now let's click over this access now button and we will be landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect, which can be seen here. And here you can see all these folders where I have organized my all workflows by integrating different applications. And if you also want to create a folder for organizing your automations, then you simply have to click over this create a new folder button, and here you have to provide the folder name, and if you want you can even select the parent folders for better organizations. But now I'm going to create a workflow. So for that you simply have to click over this create workflow button, and here you will be getting this option for selecting the workflow builder. And here we are getting two workflow builder, that is beta, which is modern, faster and more flexible, and another workflow builder that is classic, which will provide you stable and familiar approach. So here I'm going to use this newly launched workflow builder beta. So now let's click over this select button, and here we are getting this dialog box which is asking me to enter my workflow name. So now let's provide it. So here I am providing it the name add Facebook leads to Salesforce, and now I am going to select my folder as automation. Now let's click over this create button, And here we are receiving this pop-up and we are landed to our workflow page where we are getting this option for adding the trigger. So Pabbly Connect basically works on two applications, that is trigger and action. So trigger is our first application or the application which is going to initiate our workflow. So in this case, I want to initiate my workflow as soon as a new lead is received over my Facebook lead ads. So here I'm going to select my trigger app as Facebook lead ads. So now I'm going to search for it. So here you can see I'm getting this application, so I'm going to select it, and now I'm going to select my app event as new lead instant. Now let's click over this connect button, and here on the connection page, if you want to go through your existing connection, then you can select it. But for building a new connection, you have to select this button and make sure to log in your Facebook account firstly. And now I'm going to simply click over this connect with Facebook lead ads, and as I have already logged in my Facebook account, I'm getting this option for selecting it. So here I'm going to select my Facebook account, and now I'm going to allow the access. And no worries, your data is saved with Pabbly Connect, so you can allow the access for Pabbly Connect. And here my connection has been built and so smoothly, and we are getting some of the fields. So the first field we are getting for selecting the page name. So I have already shown you the page which I am going to use, that is the Magic Makers. And now I am getting this option for selecting the leads and forms. So from this drop down, I am going to select this form, that is new leads, as I want to receive the leads of only this particular form. And if you want to receive the leads of all the forms created under this page, then you can even select all leads and forms also. And now I am going to select my response format as simple, so that I can receive the response in simple format. Now let's click over this save and send test request, and as I have selected it, its status is changed to waiting for webhook response. Now for providing the webhook response, we have to do the test submission. Means we have to receive a new lead over our Facebook lead ads. So for that, let's move on towards my Meta for Developers page. So here you can see I'm landed to my Meta for Developers page, where on the resources I'm getting this option for developer tools which you have to select. And here we are landed to this developer tools, where I'm going to select this tool, that is lead ads RTU debug tool, and we will be landed to the lead ad testing tool page, where I'm going to select my page as the Magic Makers. And now again I'm going to select my same form, but firstly let me delete my previous lead. Now let's click over this preview form button, and here I'm getting this form which I'm going to fill again. So here you can see I have filled this form providing email smart@pabblytunes.com, first name smart, last name user, phone number and the city. Now let's click over this continue button and submit button for submitting our Facebook lead ads form, and here my form has been successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check whether my Pabbly Connect is capturing the data of my Facebook lead or not. So here you can see I'm landed to my Pabbly Connect, where 3 seconds ago I have received this response, that is response A, with the same details which I have recently filled over my Facebook lead ads form. So this shows that we have successfully integrated our trigger app, and now we have to perform the action. Means we have to create the same contact for our Facebook lead in Salesforce. So for that we are going to use our action app as Salesforce. So now let's click over this add new action step button, and here I'm going to search for the Salesforce, which is going to be my action app. So here you can see I'm getting this application. So here I have selected it, and now I am going to select my app event as create contact. Now let's click over this connect button and make sure to log in your Salesforce account firstly before building the connection. And now I am going to build a new connection by simply selecting this button. Now let's click over this connect with Salesforce, and here it is asking me to allow the access. So here I am going to allow the access as my data is safe with Pabbly Connect. And here we are getting some of the fields. So the first field we are getting for entering the first name. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually type the first name of my lead, but no, I'm going to perform mapping, which is the real magic of Pabbly Connect. So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous tab, so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. And the process of mapping is simple. You just have to select the field which you want to map, and you have to select this slash symbol, and you will be getting all your previous application. So here I'm getting this application, that is Facebook lead ads, by using which I'm going to map the details of my lead. So here I'm going to select it, and here you can see the first name of my lead which I'm going to map, and now it is asking me to map the last name. So again I'm going to use the same process and map the last name of my lead, and now I'm going to map the email address. So here I have mapped it as well, and now I'm going to map the phone number. So here I have mapped it, and now on the city I'm going to map the city which I have received from my lead response. And here we have mapped all these fields, and these fields are dynamic now. Means you don't have to enter your values again and again. The responses will be replaced as the new Facebook lead will be arrived. And here I'm getting some of the fields which are not necessary. So now let's click over this save and send test request button, and here we are receiving a positive response. So now let's move on towards my Salesforce and check whether a new contact is created over there for my Facebook lead or not. So here you can see I'm landed to the contacts page of my Salesforce, and now I'm going to refresh this page, and here you can see I'm successfully receiving the same lead which I have recently created over my Facebook lead ads form. And here you can see all the same details, that is name, phone number, email, and the city as well. So now you can also create an automation like this for your own business too. And now I'm going to show you the surprise which I have bought for you. So right on the screen you can see this coupon code STUYT, which is going to provide you exclusive discounts on your purchase for the Pabbly. So this is your chance to get instant savings and automate your whole business. So what are you waiting for? Use this coupon code STUYT and take your business to the next level. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section. So let's start automating your business with Pabbly Connect. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this automation, you can build many more integrations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can post it over the forums.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Connect for free now.